Well, I would just like to say one last thing, because I'm the talker. You know, last year when we were here, we were talking about dream catchers and how I think you guys are the dream catchers, because you catch the dreams and then you throw them back, and we throw them back at you, and we've been doing that for like 40 years, and it's just magnificent in my opinion. Fantastic. So anyway, now what I think that has happened this year is this amazing thing. I think the full consciousness of all the people that I discussed the dream catchers with at the end of all 66 shows that we did last year, the big dream catcher of all of us reached out and brought our dream girl back. And you really have no idea, for me and for all of us, how amazing it is to have Christine McVie back, because really, you know, I had her from 1975 until 1998. That was a really long time. And then all of a sudden, poof, she's gone. So now that she's back, it's so amazing for all of us, and I know that you guys can see that and appreciate it. And the dream catchers, that's you. So thank you, Boston, really, thank you so much. What an amazing city you are, strong, always. I love you, take care.
Hallelujah. We have had a ball. I'm going to indulge myself just one brief second before I keep going on and on. My mother, Biddy Fleetwood, is 98 years old tonight. Happy birthday, Mom! She is safely back in Hawaii. And we'll make a tape recording, she'll get it later, so thank you. And by the way, my mother and my father were in the old gardens before they ripped it down, so she remembers where we are. However, there is never a night or an afternoon, mostly nights, anywhere on this planet that this band doesn't say goodnight like this. Take care of one another, but most of all, in this crazy, crazy world that we do live in, be kind to one another. We do love you so very much. And remember, the Mac is most definitely back!